What's up guys, this is Rito.
This is Yvonne.
And we're finally showing you guys our apartment tour after almost half a year of moving here.
Basically, we live in Brooklyn right now. There are 3 of us and we live in a 4-room loft.
We have mostly everything decorated and we have all the furniture that we need. So without further ado, let's get right into this apartment tour. Hi guys, welcome to our home. This is the living room area. I'm gonna show you guys this closet first. It's mostly for our coats and big jackets and our shoes. And we have like piled up suitcases up there. And I bought this from Amazon. I have these organizing hanger stuff all around this house just to make my life easier, and it doesn't take a lot of space and it's really helpful. And so we have all our furniture thrifted, or basically we went on Facebook Marketplace and we looked for furniture that we need, including this coffee table and these 2 sofas and this sofa as well. And we have this cover that we bought from a fabric store because we just wanted to light up this whole mid-room with a pop of color. And so now we have this bookshelf and we just put some random stuff. So Iman painted this painting and I have like a few jars and glassware and some entertainment stuff, cards and our projector, and obviously those 2 Balenciaga platforms in collaboration with Crocs. And we just have like books, and all of these books are stooped. So if you don't know what stooping means, it's just basically going around the neighborhood and find like books that find stuff that people don't want, and they'll store it outside of their house and we just pick them up for free. So all these books are stooped. And so we have a lovely balcony here. It's not big, it does its job. And and we have these paintings that we just did for fun. We wanted to decorate the wall a little bit.
What's up, guys? So let's get into our kitchen area. So first, you see this is like a little counter for eating or for working or for whatever. And this is like the 4 stove that we have. And we have an oven and we have some shelves. We have some like ingredients. Like I don't know what are those, but I need all these ingredients. And a drawer of all the random dishes. And these are like what you have in the kitchen. And this is like the best drawer in this house, which are the snack drawers. And we don't have like a lot of snacks because I don't allow you have like eating snacks all the time, but this still like keeps all the fantasy. And here, this is our lovely refrigerator. You know, refrigerator is like a refrigerator, but like I can show you something we have inside. You know, like oat milk, best oat milk I recently discovered, and all the random cooking that Rito did recently. and also our laundry is finished in the kitchen. So for some reason I just found this out. Here's like the dryer and the washer, and that's basically what we have in the kitchen. One last fancy stuff in this kitchen, the cheese board.
Yes.
So we used it for like hosting parties, and we thrifted this for like $20. And this is like a marble and wooden combination cheese board. Just even though we don't host party all the time, but still having it is like good shit.
Yes.
Okay guys, and the next step in our house tour is going to Rito's room. And without further ado, let's go. What's up, Rito? Again.
So this is my little crib. So I have a full-size bed and just a lot of random decors. Just come on in and I'll show you guys. So first of all, I'm gonna show you my little. I also stooped this. This is a bar cart, but I use it as a nightstand. I just love this color, this coral color. And look at who's here. The little mice from Ratatouille.
What?
My sister got this from Paris Disneyland, and I just thought it was so cute. And it has a magnet, so you can sit on here. How cute is that? So I have all this random stuff that I'll use, and water, and my bags, and yeah, this blanket just for adding a little bit coziness of this house. So the whole vibe of this bedroom is very, I don't know, like 70s, like pop of color. And I printed out some pictures and like collaged them onto my walls just to give me inspiration on some projects that I'm working on. Speaking of this wall, this is actually my closet, even though it's not a closet space. It's because we have a staircase, this area under the staircase. It actually goes all the way back there, so it's like a Harry Potter type of closet. But I just put this rod and then created a closet of my own. And then I got this leather from a friend. She didn't want it anymore, and I use it as a bookshelf and to display all of my beloved art books. And I have, so this is Mugler, and I have like Dust magazine. And this chair, this is the ghost chair from Cartel. And I also got this second-handed for really cheap. Wall shelves from 3M. I put like some perfumes and my two favorite albums right now, Halsey, If I Can Have Love, I Want Power, and Jeremy Zucker. And I have my books here, my calendar for a project that I'm doing, and yeah, and a big ass mirror. This is like the biggest mirror we can find in New York City that's not like really expensive, and this is from IKEA, so if you're wondering, you can go get one. And yeah, I have the last area as my window, very typical New York fire escape. It's raining outside. And I have this snake plant that he recently got, and I think that's it. That's all. Hi guys. So we have our bathroom over there, and this is Yvonne's room, which we will get into in a second, but just showing you guys this bathroom that we have. And hey,
What's up,
hello.
guys? Welcome to my bedroom. Come
Yes.
on. Okay, first of all, these are my photos, paintings, random stuff, the lovely quotes that I said to myself every day, you know, the little thing. And then here's like a hanger that I can't really reach all the time, but still like hang something. And these are my school bags. And I have like a yoga place.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, this is my yoga place.
Oh, very nice.
And then this, behind this, is a mess. But it's where all the treasure is. Let me see. In my hand. It's like, you know, full of fashion items, full of chains, full of gym equipment, and belts. And all the bags and the things I can't reach, but like still we're all like pretty
Yes.
pretty messy. And this, what you see, is my bed, and it's not pretty colorful. It's not really matching my feeling, and all these like pink little stuff that I have in my room. And I have another window with another like pink curtains. I'm not actually like a girl style, but that's like how I think my room can be for now. And here's a drawer that saves my life that have all the mess. like face mask and underwear and top and some like clothes. I never thought like a drawer can store that much stuff, you know. And here is like my makeup counter that I finish all my makeups, and a bowl of rings. You know, you do your makeup and then you pick your rings and then you step here to the mirror, to this huge ass mirror, and check yourself.
Yes.
And then you go to the fragrance counter, choose what you want to smell like for today. Of course, Sex and the City. And then further, you step out, you see this to give you some like inspiration for the day. And then this is like my little laundry corner. Here's like my nightstand that I got also from Facebook Marketplace. And inside of these are some jewelries. You know, I don't know why I need all these jewelries, but I still have all the jewelries, just jewelries. And then some essentials. That's pretty much what I got in my room. Not a lot, but still.
So let's go upstairs. So this is our office room. It is the smallest room of our 4 rooms, so we made it into an office. And come on in. We have 2 desks that was previously from our old apartment, and this is Yvonne's desk, and this is my desk. So we do some work here, even though coming into this office area really irritates me sometimes, because you know, when you walked into this room, you know, you have to do work. So, but I guess that's like the point of an office. I personally think that this is a funner desk because we mostly do like, I don't know, creative stuff on here, like paintings, we all do it here. All of these art supplies we're creating. And yeah, I have this cute quote here. It says just fucking start, because that's what everyone should do when you have an idea. Just fucking start.
And that's it for all the rooms in our house.
Yay! One of my favorite things about living in this apartment is that it has this really high ceiling, because it is a loft. We have 2 floors, and it really extends the space and brings a lot of light in.
So I'm currently on my way to throw a trash. And you guys, we actually live in an apartment that don't have elevators, and we live on the 5th floor. It sounds intimidating, but for now we're getting used to it, so it's like okay. But it took a while to really, you know, adapt. Just adding a little leg workout to the day. And some of you guys may wonder why we have a blank wall in our living room. Well, this is why we have it, because we have a projector, so that's why this wall is like empty and white. See? I came over to your house. I know you was fucking bitches on the floor. You came over to mine. So this is the end of our apartment tour, and like most other New York City apartments, we have a 1-year lease, so we have another 6 months left in this house. So this is our second home in New York City. We just want to record this memory of how finding the house and decorating the house and living here. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please remember to give this video a huge like and subscribe to our channel, and our social media are gonna be linked right here. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Bye.